From Piton Street, Lower Piton Street, coming up, and you made the left turn. Did you?
Not answering any questions, sir.
My belief though is that the officer would have pulled it because we have probably thought you disobeyed the stop sign that's on Piton Street there. That is my belief.
I didn't commit any traffic offense. One thing I can say to you without answering a question, I did not commit any traffic offense.
So you obeyed the stop
I
sign
obeyed one thing with me, especially when I'm carrying this package right here. I have to teach her. She's learning how to drive, and I have to teach her how to drive properly by saying, X, Y, Z.
Well, if you said you obeyed that sign.
I obeyed every traffic offense.
I didn't see.
Yes, sir.
I didn't see. I was only called to this. They don't want to speak to it. If that is it, then
Free to go?
Whatever you choose.
Okay, Corporate. Thank you very much, sir. Have a good day. All right. Thanks very much. All right. No problem. And ladies and gentlemen, I know many Jamaicans don't want to believe or accept that, but that is what the law says in Jamaica. You have to first commit an offense for you to be lawfully pulled over and your documents requested by the police. The police can't just arbitrarily pull you over. I'm not sure my face on this because this video is not about me. Police can't just arbitrarily pull you over in Jamaica and say they must check your documents. You notice how long I was there, about 20 minutes, and they must say they go to section 91, section 92, all of these, but they can't tell me the section that says the police can arbitrarily pull you over for traffic offenses and pull you over for no traffic offense just to check your license. Anyway, signing out. No, he must wave to me, sir.
Oh, so you see me then?
What does?
You see me then?
What? No.
You see me then?
Yes, I to me. I'm a way back to you.
The context to this. The driver is in no way saying that the constable does not have the power to stop his vehicle without reasonable or probable cause. What the driver is saying is that if the officer wants to take it further than just a stop for the direction of traffic, for traffic flow or some reasonable purpose, then he must have reasonable probable cause to do so. In this interaction, for those who watch part 1, on the other parts, you will see where the officer was demanding vehicle documents, which means that the traffic stop is no longer a traffic stop for the direction of traffic, for traffic flow purposes, but is now a traffic stop for to detect some crime or, something, to find some crime, but this officer has no idea if any crime was there or not. So by demanding documents, the officer is demanding these documents for the purpose of seeking out to see if a crime was committed. As a result, that is where this entire action is classified as unlawful. In any respect, a constable must have, in these situations, reasonable or probable cause, reasonable suspicion that an offense has occurred, is likely to have happened, so on, so forth, before the officer can request documents or driver's license. And if you want case law reference, check the case of Hemans versus the Attorney General, 2013, presided over by Justice David Spatz. And for those of us who are slightly confused, now Section 91 of the Road Traffic Act 2018 and Section 21 of the Constabulary Force Act both give the police a similar power. The most specific of these statutes is actually the Constabulary Force Act, which is more specific to this tune where it requires the constable to be in uniform to be able to give directions to vehicle. Now, the Road Traffic Act 2018 does not speak to anything about uniform, but one of the key laws, case law, common law principle of interpretation of statute, that means written law, is that where the two laws govern the same area, yes, this is direction of traffic, and they are not in conflict with each other, they are not, yes, then both statutes, both sections of law governs the conduct. So you must comply with both of them. Now, in this case, the uniform of the police is defined not by the Road Traffic Act, but by the Constabulary Force Act in the Book of Rules. And the uniform of the police that is suitable for the purpose of directing traffic is what is dictated by the Book of Rules and the Commissioner of Police in by force orders. Until next time, don't audit the law. Do like, subscribe, share so that many others can understand more about how all of this legal element and legal things work as it relates to the road. Be safe on the road, people. Don't speed. Speeding kills.